Hi guys, welcome back. It is fully fall right now where I live, so I'm going to be setting up a quick and easy fall themed coffee bar or hot drink bar. This is pretty small and compact, so perfect to tuck away into most any space and the perfect way to bring that cozy fall vibe into your home. It's not only beautifully festive, but also practical and will be used all season long. Fall is full of vibrant colors, so I'm going to make sure to use them in the display. When you have limited space, make sure to go vertical with things like shelves, hooks, or a mug tree. Find things that have a double duty like this cute wooden acorn that also doubles as a bowl. I'm going to stock teas, hot chocolate, and cider with all the fun accessories like marshmallows and cinnamon sticks. And don't forget the sweet treats. I have these maple cookies that go perfectly with the fall theme and some homemade cookies as well. I'm also going to swap out our everyday mugs for some cute autumn ones that also look nice on display. Now I'm going to stock the bar with things that my family loves. Cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, ginger, and cardamom are all part of a festive pumpkin spice blend. You can either make your own blend or pick and choose which one your family likes. Pick up some flavored coffee syrups and cream, or make your own and print off some fun labels for all your DIY syrups and spice blends. And don't forget the most important part. Grab your favorite coffee or a few festive coffee blends. Whether you have an automated machine, a French press, or anything in between, make the setup as easy as possible to use and enjoy all season long. I'm not going to spend a ton on decorations. Leaves, pine cones, acorns, and tiny pumpkins are the perfect decorations for this fall themed display. Let me know what you'd put in your fall themed coffee bar. Happy decorating! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.